Well, hello. Bowtie Dave here. No bow tie. Got my gardener shirt on today. We have a few of these for some of the people at the garden ministry at the church I mentioned recently. If you've just stumbled across our channel, we talk mostly about gardening, sometimes not. I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to the channel. If you're returning, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching to all of you. While you're here, if you see anything entertaining or just plain stupid or whatever, be sure to hit the thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Any response is beneficial. Today, we're going to talk about irritation systems. No, wait. I'm sorry, I think I meant to say irritation system. Irrigation systems, that's it, irrigation systems. And the reason why I like to call it an irritation system is there's a head right here. And notice, this is a drive-through here. And every time a vehicle comes around a little too sharp, they hit this head right here. So today, I'm gonna move that thing over so it doesn't happen again, because it's very annoying. So anyway, here we go. Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. So after that comedy of errors, you can see why I have a hard time calling it an irrigation system. It is very annoying. They are wonderful to have if they're installed right, but one of the biggest mistakes I see, and I mean the biggest mistakes I see, is putting an irrigation head right on a driveway, right on the edge. Never do that. Find a way to put it away from the driveway where no one's going to drive over it. And see, now it's away from the driveway. I don't think anyone has ever driven through this bed in the 5 years I've been here, over 5 years. And so, feeling pretty good about it, yeah. And it's got a nice spread. It covers this area. We got some new flowers up in here that are going to start getting water, and all is good. So, one job done. I'm going to see if I can do it again. Still lacks a little coverage for the farthest edge over here, but that may be because of the wind we're having today. It's a little bit breezy right now. So this is the end I was considering moving ahead, but frankly, that one there looks like it's got this area well covered. I don't think I need to do anything here. May need a little adjustment on that head. That's going to be it though. Maybe it's a 180 degree, or isn't it adjustable? It's not coming out is what it's not doing. There it goes. Yeah, look at that coverage now. That looks pretty good. I can see water dripping off of that plant. I can see water dripping off this plant. I'll have to keep an eye on that one to make sure it actually starts coming up now. Sometimes a little grit gets in there. All you need to do is pull it up and make it work. So I'm gonna bet on that. All right. Yeah. I'm still learning irritation systems, so I didn't really spend any time describing what I did, because frankly, I'm still learning. So this looks pretty good. So here I am back at the Bowtie Gardens, talking about the biggest mistake I ever see on irrigation systems. And look right here. There's a pipe marking my irrigation system right on the road. And if you look a little further back, you can see right there, it's another one. So yeah, it's a personal thing. Biggest mistake I see. Anyway, this is kind of different video. I hadn't really talked about my irrigation system much at all. I do like irrigation. I think it's a wonderful thing when it works. When it doesn't work, it's an irritation system. So I'm Bowtie Dave without the bow tie, gardener shirt today, and doing some other projects today. A little windy day today. It's about to get cold in a couple more days. In fact, tomorrow night it's supposed to start really getting cold. It's a little chilly right now. I'm getting some goosebumps just standing here. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We talk mostly about gardening, sometimes other stuff. But if you're already subscribed, thank you for the support. Taking the time to watch this video, subscribing, it all helps. Clicking the thumbs up on this video, it all helps grow the community and get exposure. So I'm gonna go in and get warm. I'm turning into a Florida boy. So yeah, it's feeling a little chilly, but have a blessed day.